Welcome back to Animonex Figure channel. So today we have news from our beloved superhero toys company. Yeah, it's from McFarlane Toys and Hasbro, as they announced a new Page Puncher series and Marvel Legends series, Retro Spider-Man 94 animated series. Before we start, let's hit the intro first. So, this is a new Doctor Strange figure. The detail on the face, the suit, cloak, very nice. Even the small detail of eye of Agamotto. Good job. As you can see, the cloak made from a rubber cover his upper body. So it's kinda impossible to move the shoulder. From this picture, we only can move the elbow part to do some magic pose with effect parts. But don't worry, they give us the good joint leg so we can pose him with sitting cross leg. The accessory of this figure contain two magical sand hands and two effect parts. Next one is, it's a Morbin time. No, not that one. This one is Morbius from Spider-Man 94 animated series. He has an open mouth face with two fangs, blue suit, and blue pants with black long jacket. You can move its hands freely because the long jacket part only covered the center part of his body. Same with Doctor Strange cloak, this long jacket made from rubber. You still can move the legs, just put it away the bottom part of that long jacket. They don't forget about this Morbius ability from Spider-Man 94 animated series. So in the palms of his hands, there's a lot of holes to terrorize his victims. And only these hands comes off as accessories. This Doctor Strange and Morbius sold as set. It costs $49.99 and released in July. Next, Page Puncher's Superman Ghost of Krypton series from McFarlane Toys. We start from Superman. Let's take a look to the detail. It's very nice what they did here, but my only complaint is the color. The vibe made this figure kinda cheap. This Superman has an armor. I'm not talking about the detail, because look at that, very attention to the detail. Cape with a real cloth, but without any wires, so you cannot adjust it when you want to do a pose with this figure. Sadly, no extra hands, but the armor itself is an accessory of this figure, so you can whether to put it on or not. Comic book as a bonus, Superman Ghost of Krypton issue number 1 of 4. Next, we have Ghost of Zod. Half of his armor was destroyed. Again, I love with the detail. As you can see, the main body is clear parts, even for the head. On the back, also the details not going anywhere. They give us an extra 4 hands, 2 close fist hands and a set for your neck. What if they decided to make his face with angry expression like the comic book cover? I think fans would be like it more. A comic book as a bonus, Superman Ghost of Krypton issue number 2 of 4. Next is Val Zod aka Calvin Ellis or Earth 2 Superman. He has a man body like Superman, but with a big white red Superman logo. Also, the Superman has a real fabric cloth for the cape, with a white silverish color. I don't see any wires, so it can be moved. Nothing in as accessory. The hands are, I don't know what the main reason behind that. Why not the close fist hands as default and then those hands as accessory? Comic book as a bonus, Superman Ghost of Krypton issue number 3 of 4. Last of the series, Brainiac. The design is not what we know before. This version of Brainiac more menacing, in my opinion. He has a lot of hands, as they come as accessory, and 2 tentacles. As you can see here, the main body only have 2 big hands. The purple pinkish color part of this figure really stands out from the gray color of the main body. A comic book as a bonus, Superman Ghost of Krypton issue number 4 of 4. Overall, this Page Punchers series has a nice detail. Only the colors that bother me, especially the 2 Supermans. It costs $24.99 for each figure and ship in May. I put the purchasing link in the description box. So that's it. What's news episode today? Like it if this news matters to you. Comment if you guys want to discuss. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the another episode. Goodbye.